The 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is a pickup truck powered by a V6 4.3-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This pickup truck, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 18 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features a CD player and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.